We're back trading the NASDAQ. I am bearish, but I could see a potential bullish reversal here. Granted, we've been in all-time high price action the last couple of months. Yes, we're literally hitting my potential draw for shorts. But nevertheless, I am bearish starting on the daily time frame. We're obviously just displacing lower. And then on the 4-hour time frame, we are, again, just displacing lower. The only reason I could see a bullish reversal here is because we've cleared out all this liquidity and we are holding this 4-hour gap still. What's still making me bearish is obviously we're just trending lower and we've completely displaced through this 4-hour gap, and it looks like we're heading towards this liquidity down here. I'm just bearish until proven otherwise. What I want to see happen at open is NQ pull up into this unmitigated 1-hour gap, ES do kind of the same thing. Just sweep out this interior 1-hour high, and then also this 1-hour high is London high, and then there is a unmitigated 15-minute gap just above it. And when I see resweeps happen, I like to see us mitigate into fresh gaps. Just it looks a lot better and it gives me a lot more peace that it's a true manipulation move. But yeah, push up higher, sweep out London high, hit this 15-minute gap, NQ hits this 1-hour gap, and then I was going to say we could potentially target this 15-minute internal low, but now it should be hit the 15-minute gap. It looks like ES has edged the 15-minute gap. So it's honestly not bad. If we can relieve equal lows behind at this 15-minute gap, mitigate, and then still target it, I'm fine with that. So we hit a fresh 1-hour gap. ES resweeps the internal high, hits a 15-minute gap as well, then push lower. The other reason that I might not want to target this full swing is just technically this could be high resistance in a way. Not really, though. That's not even the biggest portion. It's more of just if I can take my profits at a 15-minute gap, around a 15-minute gap, I'm going to take it. Now, market does open in 10 seconds here. Market has opened. We come lower. Yes, hits the 15-minute gap. We're retracing lower to this internal low. See, this is what I mean by I could see a bullish reversal here. I could see a bullish reversal. Just I don't want to ignore all this length of liquidity here. You know what I mean? I mean, maybe if we had like an SMT at this low, so we have these 5-minute lows. I also don't like taking trades off of gaps that were created pre-market, which is something that I don't like to do necessarily. An SMT so far, I'm not really bold. It's just weird. Maybe I'm being hesitant, but it would have to look like something like this. It's also like it's a 3-minute Judas. I don't even get the inversion. So yes, inverses, it's 3-minute. Probably just gonna displace higher. So I'm saying I could see a bullish reversal. It would make sense. Sucks that we push lower at open. Yes, looks pretty good. SMT at these lows. We're just gonna start ripping. Not even gonna get an entry. Well, it is what it is. And then now I'm targeting high resistance. It can be like the similar. It's gonna be like similar play to yesterday. It's never really a valid entry unless you took this 30-second. But to me, I'm just not convicted. I don't take Judases like that. I don't have a good track record with Judases, and sucks because now it's like this is kind of high resistant. I had a funny feeling this would happen though. Now I need some actual good bearish structure to form before I can take a short again. It could still be decent. Either A, gonna get better structure to form and we take a short like I wanted, or we maybe get a con off of this 15-minute, or not. This 5 minutes not even gonna open up. So this could be decent though. Get a initial mitigation, something like this, initial mitigation sweep, maybe even a CE tap for a brother. Yes, sweeps London highs. Hits the new 15-minute gap. Could be decent. Living on the ride. People say I got a drinking problem. There ain't no reason to stop. I'm talking about. They got me living on the ride. Patience, Daniel-san. Patience. 930 pushes higher, but still hits a key level. It's just like, I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like it. But if good structure forms, both pairs manipulate higher, maybe even get a CE tap of this 1-hour gap, I could still see a short. I mean, I've been so hesitant to short the market with these large down moves because it's like you want to think bearish, but then it's just a sell model. It's just to set up a sell model. This could be decent though. Some teeing these highs. Yes, it's the 15-minute. Please just resweep and give me an entry. There we go. Inside of a 30-minute as well. Not gonna get a fucking entry. A problem, I call it a solution. This isn't looking terrible though. As of right now, it'd be this 3-minute, but man, this 2-minute looks good. 2-minute CISD as well. I like this 2-minute. Either gonna resweep, get better structure. I like this. I really like this. It's not gonna close yet, but I would take this 2 minute, which as of right now would be the 3 minute anyway. So I like this. I really, really like this. Go break even at this swing low right here. I really like this trade. I really like this trade. We'll get a 2 minute CISD if this inverses, 2 minute inversion. And then just for shits and gigs, where is this? Oh yeah, this inverses, we're gonna get the 3 minute anyway. So it'll be highest time frame inversion anyway. 2 minute CISD, yeah, they like this. Just hopefully we don't just dump and I don't get an entry. Please don't just dump because I really, really like these. Okay. I'm in this 3 minute. Really weird fill. Not weird fill, but just a low fill. But yeah, targeting this sell side liquidity down here, gonna go break even once either ES takes this swing or we take the swing down here. Really like this trade. 3 minute inversion, 2 minute inversions, 2 minute CISD. I really like this trade. I really, really like this trade. Alrighty, all we gotta do is wait now. Just gotta wait now. I go break even here. I don't want to. ES or NQ inverse the 15 minute. Once ES hits this, I'll go break even. What the fuck, man? Why are we just reversing now? It's all good. It's all good. I mean, maybe I should have gone break even at New York AM low. To me, we inverse the 15 minute gap. I didn't see a reason to go break even there. So we'll see. If we come back down and close below this low, I'll go break even. But to me, I didn't see a reason to go break even there. Maybe I should have. Hopefully this has some T fails. We'll see. It's part of the game though. As of right now, we're respecting this 4 minute gap. We got our rebalance, we got our retrace. Just come lower, close below this low. I'd go break even at that point. This sponsored 5 minute up here, so I could see price wanting to maybe go back there. As of right now, just gonna sit on my hands. Just wait. I like the trade. Like I said, I didn't see a reason to go break even at this swing because we inversed this 15 minute, and if ES took this low right here, I could see going break even then. But as of right now, I didn't see a reason to go break even. Hopefully we're just developing a little bit more structure to finally get that final push lower. So we have the sponsored 5 minute. We'll see how we react off of that. Austin's calling me. Did you go break even on that?
No.
Yeah, I'm in.
This too. It's 4 minutes.
I didn't see. Oh, if you took a 4 minute short, there was a 4 minute?
Yeah.
Oh shit, there was a 4 minute. I took the 3 minute. Yeah. Yeah, well, there's a sponsored 5 minute gap that we're in right now. So I'm hoping that this is just going to send us lower now. But I didn't see a reason to go break even. I mean, we inversed the 15 minute.
Exactly what I thought.
I mean, it's AM low, so maybe that's why you go break even here. But to me, I didn't see a reason to go break even. I told myself if ES took the low, AM low, I would go break even. But I didn't see a reason to go break even there. Didn't, maybe I'll lose this trade. If I lose this, I'm okay with that because I really like the way I played this. I love the trade. I took the 3 minute inversion. There was a 2 minute CISD. I didn't even know there was a 4 minute though. That's bad. No, that's good. You should have. That's a good rate. I didn't even know there was a 4 minute. Literally didn't even see it. Maybe if we close below this low though. I mean, I just.
Could be just one of those days, losing day. It's whatever.
I'm fine with it.
I mean, just because of contract sizing.
I'm actually a little over risked. I mean, it's supposed to go with 2.7. I went with 3, but we shall see though. ES left yeah, bro. ES left equal highs.
That's not gonna mean anything.
Yeah. Do I see this? This is my question though. Do I go break even if we close below this low or this low? Like that's. What are you targeting?
I have to secure. So where the 4 minute inverse, I have to hold past the 4 hour.
Oh really?
Yeah. So if I'm in $200 of profit, I might just take my fucking winning day, honestly.
Especially going into 10 a.m.
Yeah. Which news? So hopefully I can't be in a trade in news on this account. I don't think.
Hopefully.
Is it red folder?
Nope. It's like yellow. Some like I don't even know what it is. It's a yellow folder. Treasury unemployment claims at 8:30, and then Treasury something. Treasury something speaks.
All right, there was a 1 minute inverse off the 5 minute sponsor gap, so that's a good sign.
Yeah, it's also a really good 5 minute close. So I'm really, really hoping I'll probably go break even if we close below this 2 minute. If we get a 2 minute CISD. Yeah, I'm really just hoping that we flush though. Come on, Boogie, make the markets go lower. Oh, that's just a really weird fucking close on the 2 minute.
Yeah, I like that. It's not a bad. Yeah, I'm gonna CISD. Really poor one.
I just don't know if I want to go break even at this point. I'm going to wait. I'm going to hold through this. If it loses, well, that 2 minute CISD, that's where I'm like, but I'm still like playing around with that style of break even.
So you entered off what?
The 3 minute inversion, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you were in way more profits than me.
Yeah, I mean, I really had just high conviction we were going to flush out after we inverse the 15 minute.
We're still lower, but that might be
I don't want to emotionally go break even. I'm just going to hold this trade now. I know, bro.
Yes, I like black. Pause.
Oh, brother. I was actually, I don't know. I was more bearish. I was bearish until proven otherwise. And then when we pushed lower at open, I didn't like that, and that's why I like kind of hesitant about this trade. But I don't like the fact that we're just chopping now, bro. It's like I go break even right now, but I'm gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold, and hopefully we're gonna run all this liquidity. I mean, I don't want to take an emotional break even. That's the thing. Like I don't want to take an emotional break even. We should just be displacing lower right now. I like the fact that we still held that sponsored gap. I think if this loses, I mean, other than like wrong trade management, I think this is a statistical loss if this loses.
Sam, I agree with you on that. I would love for it to be a statistical win, though.
Oh yeah, that would be great.
I know you're in profits.
Yeah, I'm up like 270 right now.
Yeah, I'm not, brother. I'm not. I'm literally gonna take, if I'm at the 4-hour internal low and I'm up $200, like if this ends up pushing lower and we're at the internal low,
Just move your TP to there. I mean, just fucking run that shit. Go lower.
Here we go. We're in profits. Oh my god, I love this game.
Yeah, this will be a 5 minute CISD as well. Yeah, and I'm gonna go break even now.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're up like what, 400, 500?
5 minute CISD. Yeah, I'm almost up 500 right now. 5 minute CISD. We should just flush out now. There should be no reason to return back to my entry. Flush out, baby. Go. Up 600. Come on. Don't just take AM low and then just leave my TP. Come on. Just go.
Winning day.
Go.
Give me my winning day.
Go.
It's right
Come on.
there. And you're right there. Thanks.
Patience. Oh my gosh. Let's go. TP smashed. That is exactly how you manage a trade. That is exactly how you manage a trade. I just had such high conviction. What a beautiful trade. Made 657 on that trade. So that's a really, really good trade. We're 2-0 on the week.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go. Beautiful trade. Just to recap. So like I said, I was bearish coming into the day. I wanted a short off this 1 hour gap, and then ES coming up and sweeping out London high, as well as hitting this 15-minute gap. Both pairs ended up doing that. And then we got this beautiful 3-minute inversion to the downside, which actually, in hindsight, looking back, was supposed to be a 4-minute. So I technically took the wrong inversion on this trade, but it's the same trade idea. I also, I had conviction in it anyway because we had this 2-minute inversion and it was a 2-minute CISD. So in my brain, the entry model wasn't that necessary, important. I always like taking highest time frame inversion. I should have taken this, but to me, the context and just everything around it made sense. Even though I should have taken the 4-minute, not the 3-minute, but 3-minute inversion, targeting sell side liquidity down here, all this length of liquidity. And I didn't decide to go break even on this trade because the 15-minute inversed. So at first I was like, okay, once we take the swing, maybe I'll go break even. But then I told myself, you know what? Why would I go break even here? The 5-minute inverse, it's worth the risk for me to hold. And if we're not going to be bearish, I'm just wrong, and I think it's a really good trade to hold in this scenario. I also, this 5-minute sponsored opened up, and I just, to me, there was no reason to go break even. If it wants to go past my entry and retrace into this 5-minute, it can very well do that. It's a sponsored 5-minute gap, and what did it do? It perfectly did that. Came back into the sponsored 5-minute, held that 5-minute, and then finally pushed lower to my draw. Beautiful trade, made 657 on that. I made 657 on that, 2-0 on the week. 2-0 in June so far. So beautiful, beautiful trade. I really, really like this trade. I love the way I handled it. Everything about this trade was just A+ to me. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace.